First person to make me laugh gets $10. This is gonna be hard because I'm very laughable. So try to think of like really upset things, like my boss, not my current boss, because he's watching this. He's cool. You know, my old boss, or like, oh, sad puppies, Sarah McLachlan video. In the arms of the angel. So, okay, here we go. $10 to make me laugh. I think they were tempted to stop, but they're like biking, so you know, it's like, you know, I just stop the bike, get off the bike. It's kind of hard. Wait, which one?
Right there, the bell.
Okay.
Okay, so there was this guy one day, he came in here and he didn't have any arms, so he said, I'm looking for a job, but I run to ring this clock tower. And I said, look, go over there and grab it. So he ran up there every hour, he rang the clock tower. It dinged every hour. So what happened is, after a couple of days, there was a dead body over there. So everybody came over here and they said, what's going on? What's going on? Who died? And then the priest came on, he said, I don't know. And the lady said, I think his face rings a bell.
Oh, well, that is funny, but I don't think I laughed. That was a good attempt, though. It's a good attempt. That was a good attempt. I kind of wanted to laugh. It was a good joke. I'm trying not to laugh. Like, I'm trying to hold it in me. Like, trying to get the group behind me to, like, entice them with my siren song. La 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 la. Looks like my siren song scared him away. Well, we still have the money. No one's made me laugh. And I'm really kind of worried that Cleveland's an unfunny city, so please don't let me down. If you see me out and about, maybe you'll get a chance to win some money.